Hey everybody, welcome back to Simple Mile. If you guys don't know by now, I'm Daniel, that's Terry. We're doing something fun in this video.
Our very first scavenger hunt giveaway.
Throughout the video, we've hidden 5 clues.
Don't worry, so watch till the end, because somewhere towards the end of the video, we'll display a list of the questions that you'll need to find those clues.
Elementary, my dear Watson. Now, once you found all the answers, write them down, email them to the simplemilerv@gmail.com.
simplemilerv@gmail.com. And don't worry, we'll list the email address again in the comments below.
That's right. Now, why are we doing this scavenger hunt? Because everyone that sends in their correct answers, those with all the correct answers, is going to go in a bucket. And we're going to do a live drawing.
Yes, we are.
Our first live, on live everything.
Yes.
So we're going to do a live drawing, and we're going to draw the 3 names out. The first one draw gets a $100 Visa gift card.
Mm-hmm.
The second one's going to get
a $50 Visa gift card.
The third one,
a $25 Visa gift card.
Hey.
And don't worry, because we'll put all the details in the description and the comments below.
Yep.
So make sure that you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified.
Ring the bell, because you got to know when to watch the live drawing.
Yeah, that's right, because that's where we're going to do the drawing.
Who's not ringing that bell? I'm going to ring it.
So watch and find those clues.
Right.
And email them to us, the answers. Email the answers to us.
Seriously, guys, good luck.
Excited. This is going to be so fun. All right, let's do it.
Oh, I about forgot. Hey, the reason we're doing this is because we're trying to build a community.
Yeah, we're looking for like-minded people who want to meet up with us and maybe have a chili cook-off, or maybe exchange some Christmas gifts, or just get together and just have some fun time. So if that's you and you want to connect with us and be a part of our community, definitely like and subscribe and follow us. And have fun, because this is going to be pretty cool little scavenger hunt.
Yeah, we need a Simple Mile community.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. See you there.
So watch the intro and we'll get right into it. Hey guys, good morning. It is going to be a good day today. I'm going to show you one of our clues. So I don't know if you guys know this about me and Daniel, but we really like our coffee. And this morning, I'm going to be grinding some coffee because we like to grind our own beans. We got this grinder. You guys can see this. We really love this flavor. And you don't like to get already pre-ground beans. You know, something about the flavor is better when you get the beans itself. And it doesn't seem to have that, I don't know. I think it has a chemical taste when you get it already pre-ground. So we don't really like to do the pre-ground. We like to get our own beans and grind it ourselves. So here we go. Got this handy little grinder, and of course they always put your plugs on the top there. Hang on, hold your ears. Not really that loud. Might be for you guys, but hopefully not. Our Black & Decker coffee pot. Daniel's cooking us a little breakfast on the Blackstone this morning. What did Daniel have in his hands? All right, so where are we heading now, Daniel?
We're heading to Lowe's to get us a power strip. Not to be confused with a stripper. A power strip to plug electric cords into.
Daniel. All right, guys, so we're going into Lowe's, as Daniel said, to get us a power strip. And the power strip basically is for running our power cords in Vinny. Because right now the power cords are just all over the place. So we need some way to kind of organize. So we were thinking about a power strip that actually already has it's a channel with the power plugs already built into it. And then we can just plug the end in.
And then?
So we're gonna go in here and see what we can find.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're in Lowe's. And look at all the Christmas stuff already. It's already Christmas. Mason want to say, forget about the power cord, power bar, let's just go Christmas shopping.
Forget Christmas stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do. Look at that. All right. So where would the power strips be?
We're going to go down to the electrical section
All right.
once we get a good eyeball of all this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. They got a few little things.
Yeah.
Just we don't have a lot of space to put a lot of stuff, but it's like a kid in a candy store.
Let's get back on task.
Yeah, let's do. All right, so that's electrical, probably for Christmas decorations. Let's see where.
Get one of those timers. That way you can only be online for so long.
I'll be right in the middle of a mad moment, and it'll go on.
Electrical.
All right, so you see an electrical? Flooring, hardware, lighting, probably down by lighting, you think?
Yeah,
Maybe?
check out lighting.
All right, let's check out lighting. So we are looking for electrical strips. I don't think we should get one more than 2 feet long. Maybe.
Whose feet? Your feet or my
No,
feet?
your feet. Like parked his truck like halfway in our lane. I can hardly get out the door.
Alright, so we're at Wally World. We're going to see if they can help us out here. Struck out at Lowe's, so maybe Walmart has what we need. High hopes.
My hopes, for sure.
So I think Wally World might have come through for us.
Yeah, I think so.
What we got?
Well, look, we have the power tower. And it's not a power strip, but it's a power tower. So if you look, it has USB and it has your phone chargers.
Is all three of those unplugged from each other?
Well, that's the way it seems like. You got 14 outlets, USB, 2 USB A's, USB-C. Yeah, look.
That's amazing.
So, like over by my workstation at my desk, I could have this, and I can undo one of these and plug it into my extension cord over.
Read the back of it. Does it say if MacGyver invented that, or
Oh,
is that
here you
just
go. So the modular
made by
power
MacGyver?
tower was made by MacGyver. No, it doesn't say that really.
All right, then.
But this is what we got. What's it? Power tower.
Yeah,
That's it.
a tower of pain. Got
We
it.
found it. We got it. This is what we're getting.
Look what I scored, guys. Some Gorilla Monkey Pro cleaning disposable gloves. Textured grip. Gorilla gloves. 70% thicker. You know, those other disposables, when you go messing with the sewer lines, it's like it's always ripping and everything else. They got them an extra large. Call them an extra large guy. So I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna come to 50 gloves, 50 pair. I'm gonna have to report back to tell you if these are any good or not.
Oh, here it is, babe.
More Christmas stuff.
It's our Christmas tree.
No, I need a bigger one than that for all the gifts you're gonna buy me.
Oh, right. Okay. Well, how about this one then?
Just fill it with coffee and say, okay, there's your Christmas
That's
present
right,
inside.
exactly. We might have to make our own reef up and just put Christmas lights
I
on
know,
it.
we're trying to find a reef. I've seen some of these RVs with wreaths on the front.
And they have lights on them.
Yeah.
So they might be solar lights, or maybe they got the little batteries. Sometimes they put those little batteries. Oh, here's a cute little tree. Look at there.
Yeah. Nose itches.
I was thinking about this one.
Oh,
Little Charlie Brown tree.
no, Charlie Brown tree.
Yeah.
So to recap, couldn't find anything at Lowe's.
Hello.
Hey,
Thank you.
Thank you.
we couldn't find anything at Lowe's, but we did find what we wanted here at Walmart.
Yeah, we
which
did.
was, we got a power tower,
Yep.
and we've got some more disposable gloves.
Yes. So it was a bonus.
Power tower and gloves. Can't go wrong.
Nope. What is that, Daniel?
Peter Piper pizza. I guess Peter Piper gave up on pickled peppers, so now he's in the pizza. Pick the pepper. So let's see what this Peter Piper has got to say for it.
Peter Piper pizza. All you can eat lunch buffet.
There before. I wasn't even recording.
Oh.
Wow, this place is a massive.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, it's all the pizza that we get. This is pretty full. Look, so they got fun pass for the kids. The kids would have, the girls would have had an absolute blast.
Bananas in
Yeah,
there.
they would have, yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Marinara sauce. They do have marinara sauce. So ask for it, yeah.
Get it out. Yeah, we like it. Then out of 5, I give it 4 out of 5.
Yeah? Yeah.
Sorry.
Wasn't too bad, yeah. It's even better since I got some marinara sauce. But how was your little cinnamon pizza?
No, those were good.
They were good.
Okay.
Now we are off to the fish market to see if we can find some fresh fish. And we're gonna find the fish that we like, not the fish that you don't like. And what is that fish that you don't like?
I don't like mackerel. It's too oily. We're going everywhere today. It's a simple mile, unplugged.
You weren't even recording. Now you just turned it on.
Everything time, man.
Every time.
Well, we've come to Paul's to try and get us some seafood, and they got pretty good reviews, so we're going to give them a shot.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Let's go
Except for
inside.
no mackerel.
No mackerel.
No mackerel.
Don't like mackerel.
Fresh seafood. Fresh
Shrimp.
shrimp. Yeah, nice. Yes, they got us.
Oh, look at that bad boy. I bet he'll make a sandwich. So we're going to get some grouper.
Yep.
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 What was they, $25 a pound?
I think it was. Just a
Just a
grouper.
grouper,
Huh?
I
Yes,
think.
please. Hey guys, so yeah, we had a pretty fun day today, and it's like what, 12:45. So we've had our lunch, and now we're heading back. We got our grouper. We might even be cooking some grouper tonight. So stay tuned with us.
You know, we see these people playing golf from either side of the road. I wonder if how many windshields get busted when they shank one of these balls. Like that guy right there, he looks like he's about to shank one. Yeah, that ain't worth it. But you know, I wonder how many of these people drive by and just get 4 crash the windshield.
All right, so there we are. There's Vinny.
And here's 10,000 birds. Look at all these birds.
What is the Alfred Hitchcock?
Yeah, the birds.
The birds, yeah.